Add insult to injury. The phrase add insult to injury has ancient origins tracing back to Aesop's fables, specifically the fable of the bald man and the fly. A fly bites a bald man's head. He tries to swat it but only ends up hitting himself. The fly mocks him, saying, "You wanted to kill me for a small sting. What will you do to yourself now that you've added insult to injury?" When we say add insult to injury, we mean that something bad has happened, and then something else happens to make things even worse. Example 1. Imagine your car breaks down outside the city, and it starts raining. You could say, "Thank you, nature. You just added insult to injury." In this situation, the car breaking down is bad enough, but then it starts raining, which just makes things even worse. Example 2. The phrase is also referenced in Taylor Swift's song Exile. The song is a duet about two former romantic partners looking back on a failed relationship. They're filled with raw emotions, trying to understand why things went wrong and who's to blame.
Second, third, and 100 chances, balancing on breaking branches. Those eyes add insult to injury.
This suggests that on top of an already difficult situation, the way someone looks at you can make it even harder emotionally. Conclusion. The phrase, add insult to injury, describes a situation where things go from bad to worse. English is full of idioms that can make your language richer. Start using them to sound like you've always spoken English.